today we will start with the functions and formulas. So we call it, some call it function, some call it formula, depending on how it is. Basically, the functions are, function is anything where you give it an input, you will get an output. So think of sum, the formula that we use of sum, we are giving it a few numbers, it is adding it up and returning us the total, right? So that is a function. It is adding up a couple of values, 3, 4, 5, 6, it can go up to 256, right? So that is a function, also called as a formula. Whenever we enter a formula, we'll have to start with an equal to sign. Equal to followed by part of the formula, and then this becomes sum. I can double click it and this first bracket will get selected, or I can do this also, SUM, then press the tab button. Once I, hello, 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 Original, are you able to hear me? So once this is entered, we press the button, enter button, and this entire formula will be selected. And then we can say D is 100, E is 200. So it shows you the total of 100 plus 200 as 300. Okay.
D4 to E4, right?
D1 to E1.
D1. What? Okay, okay. This is one, right? It comes down like this: two, three, four,
Correct,
five. Okay,
correct.
okay.
So this is how any formula is done. Okay.
Okay.
Now
I
let's
get a bit
see.
confused with horizontal and vertical.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Okay.
Okay.
Now let us try out some formulas like this. Enter any name. Enter any name here. It could be your name or your favorite star. Anyone's name you can write here. Let's say or both of them. Let us write it in small. Sanjay
Mhm.
Singh. Then when you want to change the case, you say upper, double click on this, Sanjay Singh. So it becomes upper.
Okay, right.
Then next one, opposite of upper is lower.
Lower. We'll select B2.
B1, B2, A2. Let's do the A2 only. So now, oh, this is already in,
Yes, this is already done. That's fine.
okay, okay. Yeah, let's do it B2.
B2.
So this becomes completely lower. Now there
Yes.
is another one. Suppose you want the first one in
Sentence case,
upper.
right?
Yeah, we call it proper.
Okay, proper. Right. Proper. Okay.
Suppose you want to know how many characters are in that word, you can put
Okay.
len.
Len. Does it count the space also?
Yes, it will.
Okay.
Now I want to find the position of J in that entire word. So I'll say find what?
J.
From where? From
From the A2.
starting from which position? The first position.
Okay. First position meaning
From
from
S.
S, right? Oh,
Yes.
okay. 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 It's fine. The letter, open bracket, the letter in inverted commas, comma,
Hmm.
the cell number, and the position, right?
Correct.
Okay. Perfect.
Done.
Yes.
Now see, I looked for J. Suppose I want to find L in A2, starting from first position. There is no L there.
Error. It will show an error, I believe.
Yeah. Now suppose I want to see S. Find what? Find S. From where? From
A2.
here. Starting from not first position, I will say second position.
Okay, from A, right?
Yeah. If I had given the first position, it would have said it is there in first position only. It would have written 1.
Is it coming 8 or 7?
It should show 8.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we can do another find. I want to find the position of the blank space starting from the first position.
Right.
Got it?
Yes.
Now I want, there is another function called left. What does left do? Left, from the left, how many characters you want, you can take from there. So from A2, you want 6 characters. So let me show you this function.
Mhm.
I can press this FX also. So then this window will open up, which will explain exactly what has happened.
A2. So from left means from Singh to Sanjay it's coming.
From Sanjay Singh. No, left, from the left hand side, it will take first 6 characters.
Okay, this is the left side. Okay, yes. So we can make it 7, 8, or 3 as per our requirement,
Anything.
no?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So you have left. Similarly, you can take from right also. Opposite of left is right. Suppose I want 6 characters.
Space and Singh.
It has included the space also, right?
Space, yes.
Now let me show you one unique problem. Suppose this 6 that I have taken, instead of 6, I take 7. Is there any difference in this, Sanjay, from the last one?
No.
Now tell me, uh, now,
One and got added.
is there any difference between this Sanjay and this Sanjay, this J Sanjay and J2 Sanjay and J3 Sanjay?
No, I don't think so. It's only the and that has been added in.
Nothing
Yes, I
else.
cannot. No, I uh, cannot identify. Yes. No, I cannot identify.
Okay. Now, now tell me.
Value is not matching. Error in the value.
Now tell me.
Yes, now there's in the previous one there was space. This one there is no space.
So why only previous one? Previous one is coming from where?
From the up,
J2.
from the top of that.
That
Yes.
means that space must be there in J2 also, but we are not able to
Okay.
see.
Okay. Okay.
So because we cut 7 characters, 6 characters is alphabets.
And one is the space.
One
Okay.
is the
Okay.
space, but we can't see it because it is at the end. So this is one way how you can see it. Another way how you can see it is if I check the length of the word,
It will come 7.
it should have come as
6.
6. I'll give you some time. Try this out. And suppose I want to see the formulas on this sheet, I will come to this formulas tab here and there is something called as show formulas. It will show me all the formulas on this sheet.
Okay, like whatever we have done, only that it will show, right?
Yeah, what, because on this it will have all the formulas. Got
What
it?
does that concatenate mean?
I'll tell you concatenate.
Oh, okay, perfect. And, okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, done. Thank you.
Mm. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, in some cases, suppose I am using,
Screen is not shared. Is it
it is showing,
shared? Oh, oh, my mistake. Sorry. I was in my Excel page. Okay, sorry.
no problem. So now I have this. Now I want to see from where this SAN has come. Then what I can do, I can click on it and say trace precedents. So it will show me the arrow saying where from this value has come.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next, we talked about concatenate, right? What does
Mhm.
concatenate do? Concatenate means joining. Okay. Suppose I have a date like this, let's say 12th March 2020. So I can combine this using concatenate and text. I can choose this, comma, let's say this, comma, this, comma, this. See, in the format, it comes like this. Got it?
Mhm. Just means to bring the things together.
Yes, combine multiple cell values together.
Mhm.
Next, suppose I have something like this. Again, I can use concatenate for this. I can choose, I can click on this FX.
We can add on as per our preferences.
Yeah. Some parts of it can be variable. So which you are picking up from the values. So together it will show you a value like this. The advantage is if I have multiple dates here, So it will combine these for me. Got it?
Yes.
Now do something here. Write out 7, 8, 10 names.
Okay.
And if I copy these and paste it on this,
Yes. Copy something else.
I copied the formulas, so it will show me the values there.
Okay, so the formulas are active on those cells, right? That's why when you
Yes.
copy, it's in the.
So wherever I go, I can just copy them. So I can do the whole thing like this. I have all these names. I can just drag them and it will give me the corresponding names.
So if the formula gets activated only on the selected cell.
Correct.
I have one thing to ask.
Mm. Go ahead.
So, for example, we have a tabular column in the sheet
Mm.
where there are certain headings which states a target. Suppose there is a heading which states the target, and the following heading states the hourly counts. Suppose the target is 3, and the um, sorry, yes, the target is 3 or 4, and the hourly counts we need to achieve 3 or 4 per hour,
Mm.
right? And is there any kind of a formula where suppose the target is marked on red, okay, and when we type 3, it turns to green, and if the target is or if the hourly count is less than 3, then it turns to some other color.
Mm. You can use conditional formatting.
No, is it based on certain formulas on that?
It can be a formula of greater than, equal to, and you can use the, for changing the color, you can choose the formatting.
No, I'm not using any of the functions. It's already been made and it has been sent to me. And whenever I'm adding the values in the tabular column, the color is changing automatically.
Yes, color changing automatically is conditional formatting. You remember there was in that Excel worksheet that I sent you exercises. There was
Mm-hmm.
one that had what was the target? 27 was the target, and if it is greater, if it is equal to the target, it is changing the color.
Yes, yes, yes.
It is like that.
Okay.
Now try this out. Have you finished this?
This one, the one that you showed right now.
Uh-huh.
No, okay, and and yes, done. Okay.
Done? Okay, now a small task for you. I
Mm-hmm.
want the first name and the last name to be separated. For example, I want Rohit in one cell, Sharma in another cell. I want Sachin in one cell, Tendulkar in another cell, separated.
Okay. No, I don't know that.
Think na.
Separate.
What is common between these names?
Space.
Okay. So then what, how will you separate out the first name?
You taught it in the last class.
Sorry?
You taught it in the last class.
Yes.
Yes.
No, that was by using text to column. Here we are
Yes.
using formula. So you said space is common. So how will you
Hmm.
know what is the first name?
By one.
So you need number of characters up to the
Hmm.
space,
Okay.
correct?
Yes.
So if I say that, then I will have from the left hand side, how many characters? I need to first find the space, then got it. There will be one extra space here. So I'll remove that. I'll make it -1.
Can you just repeat it once again?
Yeah, look at the formula. It
Mhm.
says first
Left.
inside. First look at the inside. I'll find the space, position of space.
Hmm.
So position of space is in the sixth position,
Hmm.
Rohit, but
Hmm.
I need 5. So 6 minus 1. 5 characters from the left will give me Rohit.
Hmm.
In case of Sachin, space is in which position? Seventh
7.
position. 7 minus 1 is what I need from the
6.
left.
Okay. Mhm. Right. And when we will give the surname, the left will turn to right. Everything remains the same.
Right?
Okay. Yes, it came.
Try it for all of them.
Okay. Okay, just one thing came. So for the Virat Kohli came right, but maybe a digit or two fault I have made. For Sharma, it came HARMA. The S did not come.
So there must be something else which is missing.
Yes, might be I have given an extra space or something. For Ganguly, the G is missing. The rest all letters are there. First name has come right.
See, now Sharma has come. I will drag this. Got it?
Mhm. Can you just click on the formula once? Any one, sir, so that I can see the formula once. Where did I miss? Can you just explain it to me once again?
Yeah. So last name is Sharma.
Mhm.
Sharma is how many characters? 6 characters.
Yes.
What is the total length of Rohit Sharma? 12.
5 plus 6 plus 1. Yes.
12. So I
Mhm.
need 6 characters from the right. That means length minus the space.
Okay. It's a bit complicated. But in case of right, we did not use length or something.
For left we did not use. For right, you will have to use.
Okay. Okay, you can continue.
All right.
Yes.
Now,
These things can't be memorized.
no, these you have to practice. It's like maths. More you practice, more you will get it. And you have to think of it logically. Now, suppose I have a column like this debit and I have a credit column. I write 100,000 here, I write 1,400 here. And then I can use an if condition to check this is greater than this. Then we will say debit is more. Else we will say credit is more. Now here credit is more, therefore it is showing. Let's make this 800. Now see what happens.
Okay.
So if you are auditing values, you are checking for values, exist, does not exist, you can have something like this.
If function. It's similar to something like Java that we did in class 9, 10. Right? Similar.
Yeah, but much simpler.
Yes. So if we keep on changing the values, the if function changes automatically.
Yes.
Okay. And in this case also we can drag and drop and see, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, done.
Now I'll give you a small task. See if you are able to do this.
Mhm.
I have score and I have grade.
Okay.
So someone getting more than 90, it is A. More than 70, it is B. More than 50, it is C. Else it is D. So what we want is, suppose I have student name, score, then his grade will come. So student name Ajay, score let's say 95. How much should his grade be?
A.
A. 78. How much should the grade be?
B.
B. Should be
C.
D.
Sorry.
Got it? But this calculation should happen from this grid using if condition. Got it?
So, A. Yes, so it will be basically like if N and N20, I believe it is, because I have a patch in my system. So,
Right?
so if N20 is greater than 90, then it will be
Yes.
A, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. And then if we can put like what to say, range in that.
Mm.
If greater than 90 and but less than 70, then it will be uh, B or something. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, right.
मम्मी कहते हैं
We can put greater than equal to, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so here I have given for myself it was M16.
Mm,
If it's greater than equal to 90, comma, then bracket open, then I will put A, right?
mm,
Then I will close the bracket.
mm.
So there is something missing in the formula. Value if true. Okay, so I'm missing on something. Can you just tell me?
Yeah.
So I was doing that if n is greater than equal to 95, I have taken 95, I have taken 90, then bracket open A or else B. I was doing something like
See, you see this on my screen here, 95
that.
is
Yes.
A. Suppose I change this to 75,
Okay.
it will automatically change to B. Now
Mhm.
I change this to 35,
Change to D.
D. I change it to 55, it
C.
automatically changes to C. This is what I want. This is the formula.
Okay.
So what we are doing, we are starting from if this is greater than 90, then A, else what? Else it will check if it is greater than 70,
Mm-hmm.
then B, else what? Else it will check greater than 50,
Mm-hmm.
then C, else D. So that is the last level, N16. Got it?
Little bit.
Do it step by step, then it will become easier for you.
Can you just show it to me in a simpler way a bit because it's getting a bit hotspot.
Which one?
This for this Formula One.
Do this part first. The first do this greater than thing. If this greater than 50, then C, else D. So if I make it 45, it should now become D. This part, just do one formula part.
Okay. Okay.
Or do one minute. Do this with the first part that is greater than 90. I think that will be better. If this is greater than 90, then we want A. So else we want 60. Yeah, this is fine.
Okay. So let me have a try. So, how to remove the formula? The formula that I previously did, it's not going out.
Just put space, it will go.
I'm even doing Control Z, but it's not going.
Yeah, just press, click on that cell and press F and press space button.
No, it's not going. Yes, it's gone. Okay.
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Yes, so it's done.
Now
But
this part is
but
done or the whole part is done?
the one that you showed me to do just now. But
The
one thing
first
is
part.
that yes, but
Now,
one thing is that I
now
did
cop
not do it on that cell. I did it on a different cell.
okay, that's
So when
fine.
I'm changing the values on the current cell, the different change cell is changing.
Okay. Now copy this part and you have this second, copy the entire formula, then go to FX where you have this N16, replace it. So in place of N21, it will be if N21 greater than M14, then we want N14, else we want N16. So if I now put this as 75, I will get B. If
Mhm.
I put this as 95, I will get A. If I put it as 45 or 4, whatever. Okay.
Okay.
So now I put two parts.
Okay. So, but I cannot copy it from here because I'm doing it in a separate sheet.
Yeah, copy from that sheet.
Okay. To be honest, I'm getting very confused.
That's why I said do it part by part. First do the greater than 90, else D.
Yes, that I did. Now I clicked on the cell that is changing.
Okay.
Yes. Now I
Which is
copied
this
it.
one. Huh. Now you copy that whole formula
Yes,
and go to
copied.
FX, and
Mm-hmm.
where you have
Yeah.
this value F false, paste it over there on top of it.
No, there is when I am clicking on FX in my computer or laptop, there is coming something different. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Yes, I've done it. I will okay it, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm, I think I am doing some mistake. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Share.
It is
Yeah.
disabled. You can see my screen.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So here was the D one that I did.
Mm.
Yes, this one. So as I was changing it, or 80. Yes. Now you said to click on here, copy this, copied, going to FX.
No, you're 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Cancel this.
Done.
Hmm. Now see, in your case, this 80 is B, right? Now go and make it 40. Then also it is B.
Okay, so the condition I gave is less
Incorrect.
than equal.
It's
No.
incorrect. No, your condition is incorrect. Go to B.
Mhm,
So first of all, the score 90, next to it should be A.
mhm.
Go to that score first. Yeah. Next to 90, A, then B, then C, and then D. No, below that. No need of 50. So anything below 60 will be D. Hmm. Now come to A. Now here you see, wait. Click on that FX. If CF not less than 100, anything less than 100 will always be B, na? That
Mhm.
is where it is wrong. If C5 greater than 90, remove that 100 and less than. Make it greater than 90.
Okay. Okay, so the backspace of my laptop is not working, so I need to go back and do
No,
that.
do one thing, but wait.
Mhm,
Select that whole thing, 100 and less than.
mhm.
No, keep C5. Keep C5. Huh, huh. Type greater than, huh, greater than 90. Got it?
Yes.
So this was the main mistake. Say okay. Now you change this value of 40 to 95. Got it? Change it to 85. It will become D. Okay, C. Okay, you had it as C, is it? Okay. Now let's go to this C. Yeah, click on D10.
D10. Yes.
You're doing your formula there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in place of G7, make it G8. In place of G7. No. Leave that as it is. Array, change that G8 to G5. Uh, G7 change to
Mhm.
G8. Hmm. Now copy this old
Okay.
formula up to F.
Enter.
Yeah, yeah, copy it and press
Mhm.
enter. Now go back to C. Click on this FX. अरे, G8 होता है. Now go and make this G7. Click on G7,
Mm-hmm.
paste it. Remove that equal to
Okay.
sign. Wait, wait,
Okay.
wait, wait, wait. Why are you in a hurry? Remove that equal to sign. Put space otherwise. Hmm. Say okay.
Okay.
So now change this
Mm-hmm.
85, value
Mm-hmm.
85 to 95.
Fine.
So it changes to a
Mm-hmm.
change 95 to 85. It changes to D. Why?
Yes.
Click on this D. This if C5 greater than, make it greater than 70. The next your range is 70. Yeah. The second one. C5 greater than 70. In place of G5, make it G6. Okay,
Enter.
press enter. $95. Wait. Now come to this A again. G6 greater than 70. Then G5, G6, G8. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, greater than. Make this 75. This 95, make it 75. Yeah, see now it's changed to B. Okay, now we have the D, so the last part has to be added. Go to B again, D10, again FX.
I need to copy this full.
No, no, no. You already have it copied. FX. Click on this G8 part.
G8.
G8.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And press Control V. Now this C5 greater than your third one was 50, right? Make it 50.
Yes. Done.
No, wait. G5,
E-
make it G7.
Okay. And equal to needs to be removed.
Yes, equal to needs to be removed. Okay.
Any space? Will there be any
No need.
space between
No
these?
need. No need. No need.
Okay.
See the answer
Okay.
is showing on the right hand side.
Yes, it's B.
Yeah. Say okay. Now go and change that first cell 75 to 45, 95, 92, 82, 65. Coming correctly.
Yes.
Now you need to think about it very, very carefully and understand it.
has to be pure logical.
Yes, absolutely. And you can't go wrong with the logic. And don't get confused. Do it in small pieces.
You have to practice it a few times,
Yes.
not few, more
Practice
than
it.
few times. Then only I
Yes,
can
yes.
grab the.
Practice it a couple of times and thinking about it. Just don't do it blindly. Think about it and do it, and you will get it. Okay?
Yes. Tomorrow also same time.
Yes, tomorrow also same time. Okay?
Mhm.
So we'll stop here now.